With just a few clicks, Zapier's Chrome extension lets you automate tedious everyday tasks straight from your browser, exactly when you want to. You can send Slack messages, add the URL and title from your current tab to a spreadsheet, or create events on your calendar. And that's just the beginning. Let's show you the fastest way to get started. Once you have the extension installed, pin it so it's always at the ready. Now click on the Zapier icon. Here you'll find actions and suggestions. Actions are automated workflows that can run right from the Chrome extension, and they're quick to set up, so let's do that now. I want to add events to my Google Calendar, so we'll use this action. All I have to do is select the right calendar and turn the Zap on. Now whenever I click the Zapier extension, I can add a quick event to my calendar. And look at that! The Zapier extension understood what I wrote and translated that to something Google Calendar can work with. If you want to see what else you can automate with Zapier's Chrome extension, check out suggestions for ideas based on the web apps you use most.